In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master DocuSign from zero. We'll start from creating your account and go all the way to sending, signing, tracking, and securing your documents so you can work confidently and efficiently. First, create your DocuSign account by heading to the website, signing up with your email and confirming the verification message that's sent to you. Once you're set, log in on desktop. You'll land on the home page, which is your command center for everything you send and sign. To upload a document, click the plus button on home. Choose request signatures if others need to sign, or sign a document if it's just for you, then upload your file. PDFs work great, but common formats like Word are supported too. Next, add recipients by entering their names and email addresses. And include yourself if you also need to sign. Double check spelling here to avoid delays. Click next to open the prepare screen. This is where you place the fields that guide each signer. Drag and drop the fields you need. Signature, name, date, and text. And assign each one to the right person using the recipient selector. Make required fields where appropriate so nothing is missed. Quick note before we keep going. If you need the website, there's a link at the very top of the description so you can access DocuSign right away. Review your signing order. Turn signing order on if one person must sign before another, or leave it off for parallel signing. When everything looks correct, hit send. DocuSign automatically emails secure signing links to your recipients with your message included. Back on home, track the status of your document in real time. You'll see whether it's sent, viewed, or completed, and you can open the envelope to review details. When you receive a document to sign, open the email or link, follow the prompts, adopt your signature, and complete each field until you see the confirmation screen. To manage finished paperwork, open your completed items from home. Download a signed copy, share it securely, or store it where your team can access it. If you send the same document often, go to templates to build a reusable version with recipients, fields, and messages already set. If your plan includes it, open the admin area to add users and set permissions so the right people can send, sign, or view reports. In your profile menu, choose Manage Profile to update personal details, notification preferences, and security options. Finally, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication in security settings and changing your password regularly. That's how to master DocuSign from zero. Thanks for watching.